under the deep blue sea. One hairy dolphin, dolphin on the train, balsa, balsa bright, jumping in the aisle, what a happy sight.
A whale on the train, splashing with a cheer, blowing little water, smiles from ear to ear.
Octopus on the train, waving arms so wide, holding little toys, dancing side to side.
Crab on the train, with his claws up high, clapping and clicking, waving as we ride by.
Starfish on the train, glowing in the light, sparkling like magic, shining oh so bright.
Turtle on the train, walking slow and sweet, smiling very kindly, steady with his feet.
Jellyfish on the train, glowing soft and blue, floating in the air, shining just for you.
Seahorse on the train, dancing round and round, curling up his tail, moving without a sound.
Shark on the train, with a friendly face, smiling big and white, joining in the race.
Clownfish on the train, colors bright and bold,